Massage stimulation has several terms, namely touch stimulation, baby massage, infant massage, and others. What are the benefits of baby massage that can be obtained? Benefits of baby massage. You need to know that baby massage is a combination of multi-stimulation forms, namely touch, tactile, and motion, kinesthetic, performed by parents or health workers. When doing massage, the stimulation that is added is auditory stimulation, hearing, by inviting the baby to talk when massaged, visual stimulation, vision, by making eye contact while massaging, and others. Basically, the purpose of the baby massage function is to optimize the growth and development of the baby by providing stimulation of touch, motion and a combination of other stimulations. Baby massage is carried out in a pleasant and comfortable atmosphere. Massage about 15 minutes long, and should be given regularly. There is no standard limit regarding the frequency of giving massages per day. The following are some of the benefits of baby massage that can be obtained, including, make baby more relaxed. The first benefit of baby massage is that it can stimulate the central nervous system. This will make the brain produce more serotonin, which makes it comfortable, as well as lowering cortisol, stress hormone. In addition, this condition also makes the baby's heart rate and breathing slower, thus making the baby more relaxed. Crying is not easy. The benefit of massaging the next baby is that it can make the baby less likely to cry excessively and can make him sleep better. In fact, baby massage is also believed to relieve constipation or stomach aches. Strengthen bonds with parents. Apart from the physical benefits that babies can get, the benefits of baby massage are also useful for improving the emotional connection between babies and their parents. Touch and movement during massage is a pleasant communication between baby and parent. Make the baby sleep more soundly. As explained earlier, because the benefits of baby massage can make him more relaxed. The after effect will make it easier for the baby to fall asleep at night. When the baby is sound asleep, the little one will sleep soundly all night without having to wake up too early or crying. If your baby often wakes up in the middle of the night accompanied by crying, it looks like you can try giving massage in the afternoon. Reducing the risk of colic and bloating. One of the disorders that commonly occur in newborns is bloating and colic because their digestive system is not yet perfect. The benefits of baby massage are proven to improve bowel and digestive movements, thereby reducing the risk of both disorders. Supports brain growth. The benefits of baby massage that many people do not expect are that it is useful for the development of the baby's brain. When your baby has a new experience such as massage, for example, it will stimulate the birth of new brain cells needed for growth and development. Various kinds of touch, aroma from massage oil, to your communication with it is a stimulation that produces myelin, a substance in the brain that functions to regulate nerve impulses related to sensory and motor abilities. Helps overcome postpartum depression. For women experiencing postpartum depression, you should benefit from baby massage. When you do massage on the baby, it will automatically make the body relax. Not only does the production of the hormone oxytocin in babies increase, this condition can also occur in women who have just given birth, making them feel more positive. Intimate interactions with children will help improve mood. Train sensitivity and senses. Soft and rhythmic touch received by babies is useful to stimulate the nerves and sense of touch. Sorting the baby allows your child to tell which touches are too big and which are right. The benefits of baby massage that can be obtained are that the baby's muscles will be stronger and more flexible. Increase weight. Besides being able to affect the psychological atmosphere, the benefits of the next baby massage can also affect the physical condition of the baby. A study revealed that babies who were massaged experienced weight gain compared to babies who had never been massaged. More optimal results can be obtained if the massage is done with massage oil. The warm effect that is generally obtained from massage oil can make the baby more optimally digest breast milk. Increase bone density. In addition to a baby's heart and brain rate that is more stable after getting the benefits of baby massage, the benefits of massaging babies who are born prematurely are that it helps them increase bone density. optimizing the digestion process. If your baby is born prematurely, the benefits of baby massage with baby oil are believed to help stimulate the nerves that connect the brain and stomach, thereby making the digestive process more optimal. Differences between baby massage and traditional massage. In principle, what is meant by massage and massage are similar in that both are forms of manipulation of soft tissues manually, namely by holding, moving, and/or giving emphasis to the body to have a positive effect. However, there are other things that are also different in principle. Rut is often associated with the term shaman massager or Paraji who performs massage to cure illnesses, so that the purpose of the sequence is more to cure a disease. Oftentimes for this purpose, massage the baby can continue even when the baby cries. Whereas baby massage is a form of stimulation that must be done in pleasant conditions, can be done simultaneously with other stimulation, carried out by parents, health workers, and is very dependent on the baby's response. If the baby shows signs of discomfort or crying, then you should stop the massage, check the cause of the baby crying. Baby massage. At what age is baby massage can be done? In term babies actually as soon as possible after the baby is stable. Meanwhile, for preterm infants, the health personnel must first check whether they can be given infant massage or not. When is the right time to do baby massage? Better not after drinking milk or eating, not when the baby is hungry, not when the baby is showing signs of being reluctant to be massaged. Also, avoid waking your baby from sleep just for a massage. Infants who are sick should first be brought to a health worker to determine whether they need special care or not. Is it safe to do a baby massage? Until now there have been no reports regarding the dangers of infant massage as a form of stimulation in infants and children. Infant massage is safe to do if parents follow instructions such as seeing the baby's response and done in a comfortable atmosphere. Things that are needed when doing baby massage include: always pay attention to every baby's response. If the baby is crying, it is better to check the cause first. Don't force any kind of massage on the baby. In providing massage,